First, take out the pencils and the sponge and put the pencils through the sponge so that it may be steady during the process.
I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Then take the cup and insert the pencils and the sponge accordingly
From up here,
and adjust.
the world seems small. We can sit together.
Next, take the batteries and the wires and connect the wire with the positive end of one battery. Ensure that the wire is set firmly.
Great outdoors,
If not, use another piece of tape
free.
and make it firm. Take the other battery and connect the wire with the negative pole of the battery. Make sure that this is also set firmly and fill the cup with water.
Take a step back.
Add some salt with water to make it a good conductor of electricity. Mix it thoroughly and make it a saturated solution. Now place the pencils and the sponge and connect the end of the wires to the graphite of the pencil, which is a good conductor of electricity. It is used as an electrode in this experiment. And put an insulation tape on it too. Make sure that this is also
In the great outdoors, forever free.
now connect the negative end of the battery with the other pencil. And fix it firmly. Now we can see small bubbles on the tips of the pencil. As I used a low voltage battery, the reaction is very slow. If you want a faster reaction, use a 9-volt battery. The reaction above 9 volts must have adult supervision. Thank you.